Students, yesterday we have done exercise 2.1. Today we will start exercise 2.2. So first question is now in exercise 2.2 we have only word problems we have to do in this exercise. There are 16 questions is there. We have to do only 10 questions, 10 8 or 10 questions from there which are important. So question number first is uh, if we subtract 1 by 2 from a number, that means we have to subtract what? 1 by 2 from a number. From a number we have to suppose there a number x. That means we have to subtract 1 by 2 from a number x and multiply the result. This is the result because we suppose that this number is x, and we subtracted it 1 by 2 from it, and then multiply the result. That means this is the result. Then multiply this by 1 by 2. You will get what? That means equal to, you will get 1 by 8. This is the equation. So we have to make firstly the word form into the equation form. Word form is in the question. If we subtract 1 by 2 from a number, that means we have to subtract, that means minus 1 by 2 from a number x, and multiply the result with 1 by 2. That means we have to multiply this result with 1 by 2. We will get 1 by 8. Then we have to find the number x. Okay, so I am solving these in the normal form. So question number first is, if you subtract minus 1 by 2, so let the number be x. Suppose that the number will be x. Then what we have to do according to the question? Subtract 1 by 2 from this. I am writing this for your understanding. Subtract 1 by 2 from x. Then if you subtract 1 by 2 from x, then what will you get? X minus 1 by 2. Okay, first part complete, and multiply the result by 1 by 2. Now multiplying x minus 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, then x minus 1 by 2 multiply by 1 by 2. Okay, you get 1 by 8. Then by the क्वेश्चन में यहाँ बोल रहा है कि आप इसमें अगर 1 बाई 2 का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आप क्या पाएंगे? 1 बाई 8. दैट मीन x माइनस 1 बाई 2 multiply by 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 8. Now we have to solve this equation to find the value of x. Now our word form is completed into equation form. We have to solve this equation and find the value of x. Then we have to take implies sign there. So x minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2, that means firstly we have to open the bracket. So x 1 by 2 is in the multiply. So if we multiply 1 by 2 by x, then we will get x by 2, because x ones are x and there is nothing in the denominator, that means 1. So 1 multiply by 2, you will get 2. Again 1 by 2 multiply by 1 by 2, there is the minus sign between them, so I written there minus sign. 1 into 1 1, and 2 2s are 4, equal to 1 upon 8. Now yesterday I told you that the constant terms we separate one side. So x upon 2 equal to 1 upon 8. This is the minus sign. So if you transpose a constant term 1 by 4 into from there, so it change minus to plus. So plus 1 by 4. Now there is x upon 2 equal to 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4. So solve this. X upon 2 equal to 8 and 4. LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. So 8 ones are 8. That means there is the 1. So I written there 1. Now 4 2s are 8, that means we have to multiply this one by 2, so you will get 3 upon 8. Now value of x by 2 equal to, you have 3 upon 8. Now since x upon 2 is there, 2 is also a constant term, so we multiply 2 into 3. Then x equal to 2 3s are 6 upon 8. Now value of x equal to 3 upon 4, because we cut it by 2, then 3 upon 4, which is your answer. 3 upon 4 is your answer. Now in second question, there is the perimeter of the rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. The length is 2 meter more than twice its width. What is the length and width of the pool? That means we have perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter, and we have some relation between length and its width. That means we have to find the length and width of rectangular field. We know that perimeter of a rectangular field is perimeter equal to 2 length plus width. Okay, we know that ना rectangular field का जो perimeter होता है वो 2 length plus width होता है, ये formula है. Now its length is 2 meter more, its length is 2 meter more than twice its width. That means जो इसका लेंथ होगा वो क्या होगा, width का क्या होगा, 2 मीटर ज़्यादा होगा, 2 मीटर. लेंथ इज 2 मीटर मोर देन दी ट्वाइस इट्स width. That means 2 time of width, its length is 2 meter more than twice its width. That means 2 time of width. If we suppose width equal to b and length equal to l, then the equation will be l equal to 2b plus 2, which is the relation between length and width. See, its length is 2 meter more, that means 2 meter more, that means we have to add 2 in this. 2 meter more with what, twice its width, that means twice its width. 2 मीटर ज़्यादा है किससे, उसके दुगने width के. क्या ज़्यादा है, लेंथ, तो लेंथ इक्वल टू twice its width plus 2 meter. Okay, this is the length and width equal to b. So we supposed let b equal to b, so length equal to what, 2b plus 2 by question. Okay, we have width equal to b meter and length equal to 2b plus 2 meter. Now perimeter is given there. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is 154 meter. So I putting there 154 equal to 2. In this formula I am putting the value of length and width. So 2 is in the place of 2. Length value is 2b plus 2. Okay, because 2b plus 2 is the value of length and value of width is b, so I written there b. Now I am solving this. 154 equal to 2, there is the 2b plus 1 more b, that means 3b plus 2, because 2b plus 1b, there is nothing, that means there is 1, so 2b plus 1b equal to 3b. Such as you have 2 bricks and 1 more bricks, that means you have 3 bricks. So 154 equal to, now there is the 2 is in the outside of the bracket, so we have to make open the bracket. So 3 2s are 6b, now 2 2s are 4, which is equal to 154. Now see, there is the plus sign in the 4, which is the constant term, and b is in the 6 with b. Then this is the variable term and this is the non-variable term. So we transpose this 4 into left hand side to right hand side. We will get minus 4 equal to 6b. Now subtract 154 from 154, you will get 150 equal to 6b. Now value of b equal to, there is the 150 and there is the 6 is multiplying with b, so if we transpose 6 then it will be divide, then 150 by 6. So value of b equal to, you divide 150 by 6, then you will get 6 2 are 12 and 6 5 are 30 meter. B equal to 25 meter. You can divide and find the value of width by your own. there will 6 2s are 12 and there will be left 3, then 3 0 30, 6 5s are 30. Then value of width equal to 25 meter, so L equal to 2b plus 2, 2b plus 2. So putting the value of b there, then 2 multiply by 25 plus 2, that means 2 into 25 50 plus 2, that means 52 meter. So length value is 52 and width value is 25, which is your answer. Do question number 3rd by your Aeon, and from question number 4th we will do tomorrow.